In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to unarchive a story on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Then click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here you're going to find this section of how you use Instagram. Under that, you're going to find the option archive. Click on that. Now click on this drop down given at the top and set it to stories archive. With this, you're going to find all the stories that has been archived. Now go ahead and choose the story you want to unarchive. At the bottom, you're going to find a different option. You will need to click on the share option. Now it will be added in your story. Over here, you're going to find the date as well. You can remove this. Likewise, you can make some changes. You can edit it and click on the option your story. With this, the story will be shared. And that's how easy it is to unarchive a story on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.